An automatic tire inflator machine. Here we have to connect compressed air pipeline as input for this machine. After connecting pipeline, we have to cover it with a cover to protect air filter. After connecting input pipe, we have to connect the output hose pipe by which we have to inflate the tire. Here a on-off switch is also by which we can make the machine on. Here are the front panel of the machine. Two displays are there. One is for present tire pressure and another is for set tire pressure. 5 switches are here. With the help of increment key, we can increase the pressure, set it pressure, and with the help of decrement key, we can decrease the air pressure, the pressure which we have to fill in the tire. This machine can be used in PSI as well as in bar mode. With the help of PSI bar switch, we can convert the readings in bar also. Now if we want to inflate a tire, then we have to first of all we have to set the reading value for the inflation of tire. Now we have to connect air chuck with the tire. After connecting of air chuck, the machine starts automatically to inflate the tire. After inflating, the machine will give a buzzer sound also. And if we want to inflate a tire with more than 40 psi reading value, then we have to press this enter switch once. After pressing it, we can go up to 135 psi. It means now we can fill up to 135 psi with the help of this machine in tire. This machine can deflate a tire also if a pressure is presently having more pressure than its desired value, then this machine can deflate it also. Here the tire is having more pressure than the desired pressure. The tire is having 51 psi right now. The machine is decreasing it up to 32 psi. Now the machine has deflated it up to 32 psi, up to its desired value. If a tire is flat or puncture repaired tire, or it's not having any pressure in tire, now this tire is a flat tire, a puncture repaired, the machine will not start automatically. To inflate this type of tire, we have to press the flat tire switch once. Flat tire LED will glow and inflating this type of tire. Flat tire LED will glow for this function. Machine will inflate this tire up to the set pressure. We can use in machine in bar mode also. For this we have to press PSI bar switch once. Now it's showing 2.3 bar. It will start inflating automatically and the value shown are in bar. Here 2.3 bar air inflated in tire. Now we have seen the machine is very simple in operation. and only 1 minute is required to inflate a car's 4 or 5 tires. Thank you.